Dear students, in previous lecture we have defined the real sequence and few examples. Today we will discuss monotonic sequence. Now let x n such that n belongs to n be a sequence. Now this sequence is said to be monotonically increasing if xn is less than or equal to xn plus 1 for all n belongs to natural number. And this sequence is said to be a strictly increasing sequence if xn is less than xn plus 1 for all natural number. Similarly, the sequence xn such that n belongs to n is said to be monotonically decreasing, in short MD, if xn is greater than or equal to xn plus 1 for all n belongs to natural number. And this sequence is said to be a strictly monotonically decreasing sequence if xn is greater than xn plus 1 for all n belongs to natural number. To understand clearly, we will solve some examples. 1 upon n such that n belongs to n. Replacing n by natural numbers, we have terms of the sequence 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and so on. Sin n plus 1 is greater than n for all n natural number. Simplify 1 by n is greater than 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon n plus 1 implies that xn is greater than x plus 1. So it is a strictly monotonically decreasing sequence. Similarly, we define one other example whose nth terms is n upon n plus 1 for all n belongs to natural number. Replacing n by natural numbers, we find 1 by n, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and so on. Now xn can be written n upon n plus 1 and n plus 1th term xn plus 1 can be obtained replacing n by n plus 1 in the xn terms. So n plus 1 upon n plus 1 bracket plus 1. Solve n plus 1 upon n plus 2. Now we consider n plus 1 upon n plus 1 minus n upon n plus 1. Expanding and solving, we find that 1 upon n plus 1 upon n plus 2. N belongs to natural number. So this number will be positive always. N plus 1 upon n plus 2 is xn plus 1. N upon n plus 1 is replaced by xn is greater than 0. So xn plus 1 greater than xn, or we can write xn is less than xn plus 1. So this sequence is said to be a strictly monotonically increasing sequence. Now let us consider another concept, neighborhood. What is neighborhood? In short form we write NBD. In Hindi it is said to be Samipya or Prativesh. Let alpha be any real number. Then any open interval containing A is said to be neighborhood of A. So we can write alpha is neighborhood, then there exists a delta positive. It should be real number such that open interval A minus delta, A plus delta. It contains A, so this open interval is said to be neighborhood of the sequence. Thank you.